Hi, my name is Mariam Hassanali, and today we will be talking about the types of neuroglia in the central nervous system and what their functions are. What are neuroglia and their general functions? Neuroglia are non-neuronal cells that regulate the internal environment and form myelin. Neuroglia provide structure and support for the neurons in the central and peripheral nervous system. They also aid in the formation of synapses. Today we'll discuss the four types of neuroglia in the central nervous system and what their functions are. Starting off with the first neuroglia, and it's called the oligodendrocytes. Oligodendrocytes line up along the nerve fibers in the central nervous system and wrap their process tightly around the fibers, producing the insulating myelin sheath on the axons in the central nervous system. They provide a structural framework. The next type of neuroglia cells in the central nervous system are astrocytes. Astrocytes are star-shaped glial cells that branch out. Astrocytes cling neurons to blood vessels. They support and brace the neurons and anchor them to their nutrient supply lines. Astrocytes also regulate the external chemical environment of neurons by removing excess ions and recycling neurotransmitters released during synaptic transmission. Microglial cells are a special type of macrophage that can clear up neuronal debris. They monitor the health of neurons by detecting injuries to the neuron. Like the oligodendrocytes, they also provide a structural support. And lastly, the ependymal cells are columnar or cuboidal ciliated cells. They line the ventricles of the central nervous system, which includes the brain and the spine. They are involved in the production of cerebral spinal fluid. They form a permeable barrier between the cerebral spinal fluid and underlying cells. And that's it. Thank you for listening.